Hi there, I'm John Toberman, grease chemist here at JAX. Here today to talk to you about our JAX Bio-Guard Grease line. Now, our JAX Bio-Guard greases are environmentally acceptable lubricants, or EAL. Now, what that means is that the grease is readily biodegradable at a level of greater than 60%. It's also made with components that are generally non-toxic, and it's also non-bioaccumulative. The lubricant is tested to ensure that it is safe with soil, bacteria, fish, and other areas. The EAL lubricants are also designed to not be bioaccumulative, and what that means is that it's not building any levels within organisms that can move up the food chain at concentrations that could be harmful to humans and other organisms. Now, these greases can be used primarily in areas that come into large contact with the environment, whether that be ports, oceans, forestry, and mining. Our JAX Bio-Guard grease line is fortified with polymers that keep that water-resistant nature, but while maintaining the high level of performance in extreme pressure and anti-wear properties, antioxidant properties, and corrosion resistance. Remember, simply having a marine grease does not necessarily guarantee it is the safest grease for that environment. Having an environmentally acceptable lubricant, or EAL, ensures that you are doing your part in proper lubrication while also proper adherence to the environment around you. If you are unsure whether you are using the correct grease for your marine application, be sure to contact your JAX representative for assistance.